actual letter. We send the letter to the police headquarters on the same day.
That's the 25th.
Yes, informing them say you nyina ba Accra. Nyame eya adoma eye Monday. I'm sending a copy of the letter that you sent to them.
Sure.
So what 7 yen? You responded. Your my date say Monday yeba. Only ya oyo ochna Monday yeba. Why should we bring a member Momukura to the house? Look at the Deputy Interior Minister. Ebenezer Tabila. The statement okay. Also omoko hon to invite him. Once already you have sent invitation to him. Already you must send invitation. I've given you the copy. That invitation, you have responded. Some Monday, sure. Then you are saying you cannot go and what do you call it? Serve a white dog without being armed. Wontumi nko come in near the home won't to. I'm not going to serve. But already you have already served him. With a letter. Referring to the letter.
With this one is an evidence of
with this one is evidence. So the second one, Deputy Interior Minister, Eka so mudi two eko. Adan we kamanya neni so eshe. Eto mo ko 7 so mudi two. Onya aware so already no. He has been served with a letter. Onya aware so already no so no. A letter has been applied or replied, and the date has given say mail report. We cannot take this country back to the era of the 1979. And what the man soldier for aba ni achu ni ekun. Wontumi is one ordinary person. So if Nhyira then take he said this is just the beginning of the journey. You are telling them we are not coward. Okay. Even when the military Eddie Opooman no, we were able to hold the military for so many years, 19 good years, 6 months under JJ Rawlings, JJ1 and JJ2. We answer from the military regime to the what do you call it? On the 7th of January 2001 with the official 19 years. Yet we face the military, not our own democracy. You protect the democracy. So you beg them. We are not a cowards, but they are taking it to a different level. And then the car belongs to me. It has been indicated.
Those cars,
it belongs to any abandoned own to me car. It's own to me car. And we have even written to them, say they should return the car. They sent somebody a Jombodu. Moko Jombodu fie kofa Jombodu a car. Later on, you saw a car in here, what do you call it? Jombodu dia. Omani wade. Then I'm the Omani wade. Otene kamu, muchi ane say a soldier for, a Quincy form, a car and decoy. Later on, you have to use the taxpayers' money, take a tow car to bring the car. What's in our money? Can't you unnecessary tension? And we are telling them, say, Omani no be and so be. Yeah, my self-governing, not to intimidate us. You are going on Monday, and when I told him to me saying go jail, don't come say a real jabber. We already on a several sue the government in court talking about the lands. It already cry no on I take steps. It is not afraid. Any part that I don't know can move in court. I'm not going to freeze in account. Okay, in 2 weeks. No, I should say be crying now. And come bring inviting. Now say me na my bonnet. And my freeze my account. Then I saw you have to initialize a court case against him. Okay, 2-3 weeks. Be my month 7 year. Move on court. And also no intimidation. Therefore, I have to move ahead as soon to me to sue the lands and sue the government. Yeah, about 20 billion a year Ghana cedi a year. What do you call it? Case against you. Now, when you invite us or my date here, with the soldiers. But let me tell you this thing. This is the cheapest diversion tactics to divert the media attention to a scandal across enye.
What scandal?
You promise us, say, or mine, ye nini ye. Nana don't go for to kwanya or the plane and or chata. Edinam. Na odware ama nsuo kwa ye no mokra no ne hu nsuo ni bi kwa na ye sabe ye no mokra na efi wiem a eba ba said getua na moba you make sure say you will limit expenditure, you bring down the government expenditure, say be odan Ghana fun beto no ye ma me yale yen ka se ni pangu obi ho to na eye Nhyira mo kwa na twama no ne de na eba mo han plane ni ebusa say sika say am de han kwa mutimi nka. And outside, and our cross checks, he saying, say, 1 hour behind, paying I'm hiding the vice president now. Yeah, mammy, the taxpayer is supposed to pay about almost what do you call it, $20,000 per an hour.
That's
the perception. That's the perception. Until the original data. Because the taxpayers' money.
Yes, if taxpayers' money come to Parliament, they will know. It should come
until say may prove you wrong. That's what our church is saying. And no one will say, I don't know why you're wrong. Then yenye untumi ya man letter de da no yɛmfa so amen enko ni fie ke eda na koye onko jejina ho no ma yesi ebomu wa mie ena omuda ne omani secret for know them they what call fly drones. They will try to enter at all costs. Uncle J. John the media also pick it that vetting that scandal, that bad expenditure by the government or the vice president.
But is it not fair enough on a humanitarian ground? Say Nipa or Yarino, ABI, Yentimi Fanem for commercial plane.
No, no, Tona and Comba, Ebium. So, Wobam in Chain Baba Jibusia. So, Baba Jetal and Ghana about school fees. Now, Oba Ukra from 16. Yanam, a Yasaman Simon, a beggar, say, or mine, sika. You have borrowed. You just 3 months, first quarter, you have added about 42, what do you call it, a billion Ghana city. You come there, you can. So you borrow to go and serve debt. You understand? You borrow to go. That's what you promise us. Some of them borrow to go to but they make a chow on the say. They make a chow on the say. Oh, Konukra, iPhone 16, Echo Pebbles 1,000 Ghana city. When before serious, or my yang. O ma me no ka say o mo form adwuma as eye o mo dwa eme 4 months in twom kaye so many teachers for kwam ye adwuma woni twa first time ye bu nkoto yoro kwan ye twom kaye se sa o man no o be so o man ni gina ye a ye take that huge amount of money and chata plane and my vice president the almighty president of India eko eye summit e wo US of a commercial eye bus eko try the executive part the VIP part, if a commercial with the citizens, every now will bid for money
of that person may not be same.
No,
as the
no doctor will release you from hospital if say checks and checks say this is very logic thing. As a job for some mobile. If the almighty Indian president, to Kwanya on charter planes, now on my mocha some abeji. Israel for Musumba Bajan Fin Kwasum. That's a new year. Look at Sukuja to Abrakwa.
Okay.
Or this an by power. That's how much I tap playing. He will resign. It's very, very bad. We are not going to allow you to intimidate us.
Mesa about so that's MPP Sujaba, Western North Regional Communications Director. For the MPP and our voting on initial way no na and then come over. Opooman Suabedu. Opooman, good morning.
Morning.
And I say, Adi Okase, I say now, one who other Opooman want to say.
Oh, but answer
if you boko there.
Boko. Okay. Me mum dear, me king. Oh, you're totally right. But me one. Who's me one person? I know my problem. I always want to stand for the justice. Sure. Yeah. And Madam Bako frame. Otukan 2017.
Right.
2017 eba yenya encounter between the same arrest and Nemini and Moka. Me MPP nipa o. But ade enye no enye. So one who be da. Answer na yebeba no. Na me Sami Jamfi ene Morrison. Ame abome machofo. Minim say your friend is saying me nua yi akoko amoti case yi na on your Nhyira Sami Jamfi that time he was special assistant to Kwadwo Bonsu like me nua yema minister.
Okay.
And I know I was disturbing Kwadwo Bonsu. Omo ye a lot and so the final enchi Opooman mo no. Omo bo me serious pa. Machofo be 3. One the same match of form DNDC for bomb no MPP ba ye call baby no dim your friend Shiriki onim me boy o manim ba your friend Van Dam ko South Africa so
right
Opooman ha dwen ye Satan kwa ye paradise Sami Jamfi no ba na show mo radio no ma kofa assembly menua no anya kwada so MC menua meka di the radio mo ya na say radio working in the area and for Muntimiti and Chinem and Monacasian. Oh, quite apart from that, Yasach me, the same MPP a year, intermediate, minimum effect was Adiano. In the winning 2016, because I don't mind by radio be Amquamsi and Unia, and my attention, Kobian focus on development. Nana Minia Baquam in the GH, any Pabe 4. Observe Opooman Jar, the NMC here. It won't help you. Abino, ya the ma wan your my ordoso. Your invitation, your arrest. So bet me inviting 1-2 man or coaching a far different. Dance out koyan a crazy tension. Na san your more from bida, Ube say easy. A general minion frame first third okay, Opooman. 2017 and someone can be hiding. I'm referring them.
Right.
And I'm more can kojo committees and open be church or not as a did attempt no money ba. But when you are saying a drew our first normal come on, on the end is for a busy that be on. It is not good. But enya no me can be copying say. Me ami dear ba me condemn me ba me kai one chairman. San your mind ba near Kenya am so Opooman is sabotia. Na ban one can on. They are doing the same thing tomorrow. When all can crack, can you free network? There be an amtaka to say, Muya Opooman, me manya be any. Ya chair the mamma moody man be a me and Jimmy da brown on babume.
Only my handful.
And in your munya needy. Omunya needy, now I'm your needy. Me as I bet you be. Manoya Dian, if you're on base.
Harris way, Nebi. Harris way.
Oh, and you be Western Regional Communication Director.
Economy is still my union.
Now, me cooperate not move. Regional Minister say me ba, me ano.
Wow.
Abeka me ne regional union not mo yi. Ya ntimi anam ko resign. Opooman mi ntimi ni nyadwa. Opooman mi je obo be ha me how me ye hwan me be ye de.
Na hwan si tira na.
Dabi the studies Subin MPB. Mini pass you make it in my batch. Yeah, Eugene. So, and I'm German, me nanko. Me say me compare regional chairman. Hey, regional chairman. Me need dama. Me compare be I say stage here boy me aye kwajo no. Isra ni say tia me. Me ni bi tia ni say tia me to Opooman. Oba aye. Hey, agogo amahuna mani. Me ni bi abi go to you. Yes say tia me. Mom money mom. So 80 Minia, say I'm correct na. You fight for national justice.
Definitely.
So
very important.
So as I say, it's difficult for us to believe all the two parties, the major parties, because here can masa udika, but you criticize for first, Tama ya muka de. Tama ya ba ni aji shebi okwam, yomu ya the same thing. Just an young person of a can create. So young fast and your money in an tunching. Near dear young cra, a bebo mine. And this is the American 2028. Some people to turn on your money because Adamican repeat. And this is the only to trust them the co-position. And it has started. Ya cho ya becho ni abut. Quite apart from that, so we have to be a communion on maybe. Yeah. Bombay, we are no more bayano. Now, mom, one for any party. Many I may condemn. To be what to invite you. Or coin. Now, mammy come with you answer no. Hey, and I me brag Ketuapa, I am Rezaro. The governor himself. Oh, then you know, I see. Mama, bit actually, Mama security could buy any bagini.
We do be a fun.
I don't mean, I send it audio free UK. Say, Chairman, Nipamro, Nip answer the Bianam here. I want any. Yanni Tipene do do hine. Okay. Nipa de be our do do on pa. It always be a me person be strong, so I fight for majority. Right. Untumi was and I was very worried. Can you correct?
Oh yes, it's bad.
So too bad. By Untumi party now ready pair one environment. It tells you say you need to change. On how to do no. Okay. Nenka Untumi bowa. Camera when the police go be because he was a mover and shaker. Now it is not like that. Okay. Unkundia. Unkunya se na ba afra ire no ma. Wa afra unianom. Yan yati akoye adwuma ni wadubiase assembly members akoje ni wadubiase seat. Regional minister or chairman to on akoje seat. Ya hunu so da. Ni am regional minister. No so better Ashanti regional Opooman wodi na ni seat na o tata me. Ma ya odan. Answer by your friend dodo. Na your friend akokwa. Wo awukọ wodi tu aduro. Okay. I grofo ko tu akade nipa mro. Frawire no mai. Uni anum ni ho.
Na de ne ho akire na wo mfre.
Hey, e chiro say de bia ye party for dodo no. Won on form ye me ani nko mo. Okay. Ni empe ba bi pa mo nyira. Na mo de mo wi am nko am ya. Edu nkwase adwuma eye tuo ni bro ni de. I say now, friend.
You know,
Matter where it's a fact. Don't come and defend it.
You are being unfair to Untumi. Listen to me, Mimia. I can't find my memory. I can't find my memory. Right? Yes, it's a Emia.
Now who did you know one that did
if you talk about Untumi a contribution, the development to the party over here and nationwide, the investment in the party may catch up on bank is the only is the only across almost 4 regions. What may be a TV networks, radio stations given to the party free to project the party. You understand? However,
party for the radio for
from Kasamuno. Your personal issue. Your personal issue.
One hour,
don't do that to Opooman.
So
one thing
Ojaba, Opooman's point is
that personal issue. I'm generalizing it. Me catch him or be at
Opooman's issue. Mike now off. Opooman wants to say individuals that's what he wants to say. Opooman, I think that point in it.
We running in a heavy so bar no about. Yeah, come by and this in the nail there. Come and to one in a tea and run to it is any defending. Young from for no. So young from for me. And we are
no, I know they were
condemned. Mammy Chester. Almost so you have a big dinner. One man do a coin. Monkai or more for more. Yes,
that's it. That's Opooman.
Good morning.
Nyamiadom. So Opooman now in Kano for movement for change. No, Mike need the war. So we say Akwaba.
Mejoso
NDC communications team member Osanso a spokesperson for the regional minister. Near Kosui. I mean NDC were complaining. You won't be paying. I mean arrest no, but other near say sir. I mean, I mean, too.
Edika mebo abaso na mabom media. Munyina mabaso for jumedation kwa moye de boa e Ghana. Titru sentiment mo hanim say. Nhyira FM unim say do Saturday say BBC.
Sure.
Nhyira FM man ka na DB traffic ache papa. Anti ebo atifo nso abaso. Ya chia munyina so. Yeti woti kokoso asase so. Era. Nana nyankwada na we dey made in check say RCC regional minister so the ma asante
right
na ya bom abaso for cooperation na mo copy se na be ya mputu asante man ehia no bia sabe kan okay America krani asante man tem na bebre na hayen
right
regional minister so go so all yen nkakra o share the issue of flooding
say
question about one so
yeah I didn't know be there Frank Dodu
any pan
not
Frank Dodu.
Oh okay on the bedroom now I am in me pa
okay regional minister Galamsey MPP for a year no mudi say so ni ensasi or by excavators no GG no DBCRCC no or release mu miensa say yam famboa ni yi gates mu de ma ensu tight mi yiri ye ni sa ne ma de yan share excavators no
okay
ampa wa hu abo pelele honum
excavator means and drip near the baby
no on say district be answers be used be but excavators and excavators didn't mean nyanisa so
that me and some fan go to Galamsey
but dabi district be our drip and then me know cause even drip coordinators no krampo mun san come appointment letter must start adwuma so what they make na say and regional minister I release 3 of the excavators near CZ3 Galamsey is na no mo say yinsu ni ensase no ama ne omo tete gates mu ye ne ma ye okopelele hono ma fantastic ohwe asantiment mu hanim say so airport runabout Oma penyini bedru a MPP to so ho anaja omofa obisi ho no fa yira mama ba ho no fa na America krani yenya brand bi mane ko gina ho no ye video bi about the state of sa runabout no
yeah
say what say In fact, Dr. Frank Amakun ni tie no. Ozi there be ono onyina nso mansa no ayden waham. Obehwe no waye. MPP time ono nso to a na eminamina na ewo honom utumi dware mu kra ma na yeye. Swimming pool ne by ne ukofa airport about fantastic. In fact, fantastic. You did very, very well. And I say we are citizen journalism na yeka ho asem no. It's very, very important. Inti yebo mabaso so ne abo regional minister so abaso. Enema you gusu edi nema gu akwa maye nkakra se na bia asante man so benya no ntoma paaye den afra. Hey.
Adan na modi tuo ni ade ko. Yentimi nsesem kakra.
You know what? Mr. Harris, or your Western Regional Communication Officer.
Yeah. Sure.
Good. Now me person me bisa ne say NDC ni bia ko Western Regional Chairman hoso ko chinana. What visa? Onti. So no ankasa won impesu aso. Ono an jungle mu. But NDC ni bia nko ho say o kwa akoche no. Inti say Chama WONTUMI yes is kutrem ko wi no moko emma aboponchire ne nya den enti mu fifiri Chama WONTUMI enko tu galamsey se yenso ne ensase emma ye nuanom bi mu nnum enwu cyanide mercury eniema omu use this say yenso ne ensase Professor Sampene be ka kire yen say bebi a WONTUMI ene galamsey no uti me ka se WONTUMI be WONTUMI ene galamsey no ena mensuo na o se ne forest na o se ne nti no Professor Sampene say mame fo ne papa fo no mote da enclaves no so mo ba konfa no chi so mo ba be wo a obawu obi na ne nan ni ho ne nsa baako ida se na so baako achia sani ma we ye aye niema Chama WONTUMI galamsey a o ye wa sentimental hanim sei ekum ye ma ni nuanom me no kasa sisi Chama WONTUMI and I was very happy metika mu na maame bi tika anim no se na obi ka WONTUMI ayi ne se WONTUMI de wo so mo de che na nya yi bia wo se hwe obi a wa kotu galamsey abetena TV so say ye Ghana for say me manya gold me watch ye $10,000 or kasa or ye gagai na enne ye ba beche no want man kan kire nipa na no oti nanim one na is it Paul Adomochi me boa se Paul Adomochi ni na no oti e na no ye sa ne ma no Okometro nso ko keka sansam no gold mi wo sika mi wo sei wakwa kodi boni we nyina echi okodi boni ni wiye ya MPP
anke me no nti na mo de frɛ na
me ka say MPP communicators MPP communicators bebre omo kire omo ye wa sentiment mo hanim sei e bebre me na fofo even sika omo de be ko TV so kura na e de mo ba Chama WONTUMI so e governor o say ono owo kingdom yeso dia sentiment mo enim says kingdom there ye ka kingdom a ehemfa na kingdom menhia WONTUMI so asate ne kingdom e wa sentiment mo ha se wo de no ho o ye powerful obetima chiro adjoma ama so o ye powerful chen bibia na de chi ya WONTUMI na da ho kam say mo magimi o Ghana fo mo magimi o Ghana fo be na mejew MPP fo mejew tama o yi gold no ka che Ghana fo so mo magi gold tama o kam no ka che obi so bi magi bibi ena me no ka say WONTUMI o see I invite no na o so beba initially no o so beba Monday na Monday no so ye ena eye national security for ne empenifo akọ mo kwakoche no on say o man fa ma say da na o mo de ma no wantimi anye da ndi so so on say no tie on say na amba say da na o mo de ma no so 21st no wantimi ndi so me bisa wo tie anye sisi na wu enye sisi akra na wu good me na me aware Chama WONTUMI so yare o so yare enti no person hospital endro ntie mo Chama WONTUMI tie mo pa che say WONTUMI yare
no but say
endro de way WONTUMI si kamu no me try there krata no
according to I'm quoting Ojaba omo de krata and so I actually requested who's assembly see the information And so I requested for the letter CID de bre Wontumi. I've gotten that letter.
Letter Wontumi,
and I requested for the letter Wontumi the command CID, and that one I've been given a draft, which wasn't it's not signed.
So
because I can only confirm that CID DNA on the buy any day. I have the actual letter which is signed. But as to the actual letter signature also from Wontumi there, I don't have to confirm now. But the atise or sin wo yare.
And any atise keke.
That is what I will say because I don't
fantastic. And then I'm a person me also. Time no.
Just
all right. Okay. You can come in. So
Mebacho.
Madam. Okay.
Madam Lydia, Miss Lydia Donko.
Director for.
Director Commissioner of Police.
Yeah.
Director General CID.
Sure.
Mr. A. Ofei.
Okay.
Chief Superintendent of Police.
Okay.
You understand?
They have it.
They have it.
Okay.
This is your bigger platform.
Sure.
And this is a letter. Right, and you say invitation to assist in what investigation. I write in response to your letter dated the 19th day of May 2025 regarding the above subject matter. Unfortunately, I am currently on medical treatment prescribed by my doctor, and this would prevent me from making myself available on the 21st May 2025 as you have requested. I am, however, hopeful that I will be available on Monday 26 May 2025 to assist the anti-armed robbery unit of the CID headquarters with your invitation. Kind regards, Chama Wontumi, copy Lydia Donko. Messi, I was
signed.
There. I was
signed
by signed. Messi regard Wontumi. I was there when you served them.
This is a draft.
And I'm saying, this is your bigger platform. They are listening. They are listening. Messi, I'm letting them. They should come out. I'm lying. We have served them the letter.
Okay, so this one. Based on your words, you said you have said.
You have given it to them.
And so, they cannot authenticate that because there's no.
Can you joke with this joke?
That's it.
You requested for the CID letter. I've given it to you.
No, but if
the station. You understand. Understand.
I don't have evidence of that.
Understand. And the program is.
You get it.
Okay, understand.
That is it.
So the person already been invited.
That is, you are right.
Then you go there again as interior minister to say, we are going to re-invite him again. It doesn't make sense.
So you are right.
Yes, you are right.
So you invite to be no ama. So you can re-invite.
I'm coming. You are right. I'm coming. You are right.
When we are practicing natural law, one invitation does not demand arrest.
He's
a popular person. I know they are condemn it.
Me da say what me confirm me said CID DNA.
Right.
Signed, everything is intact.
Oh, yes, yeah.
But we say yet to confirm say everything was okay. You know, you see, and penny forecast me say, I buy the boat techino,
right,
and one the boba,
okay,
and yes, I'm penny for the internet say a principle. I buy the boat techino, one the boba. And this for crowd is abana mumu the boat techino, and yes, abana neba muzu. Abana mu MPP for mu de ball techi NDC for no and just abana eba mo so
ba so mo de ball mo na mo se ya
omo
de na mo de bi ball
nya central says nya sa abana na eba mo so sa aba we de emu ha
mo fia na ye nkete
we de nkete emu ha mo let me tell you something hwe obi gina sorry dem e preach me bamba obi gina on the me de manu besi Opooman me se Opooman me aware okay let me tell you something abana mo kan wasem na abana so afi na ba kese na de eba you know what obi member of parliament just sorry dem dey preach mo ko fan Rainbow Star okay so okay
totally bad yeah
okay satem na wo bon se muti Israel fe muti station na wo bon se say MPP for ya do MPP for ya do na wo ni Ghana hanum say okay yewra James Ajani Mwati ni fie ka na wo kasa mo kosesa no mo ko ni fie kosesa na cars amen mukita to AK47 ni bi na mukita
right
ana ye de na AK99 ye de na NDC for de na mo de ba mo honom no eye AK99 NDC for e ba ekun obi
There's a payback.
But
me ba no payback me chana de me ka say me say sa ba we de so o sa ba we ne so me chana ba de time say ba we ne so hwe ye ra James Ajeni Boating cars na mo kra mo de call na o claim say yes car no kra na say anye aban car no same thing the car no kra na anya aban car
de na nya
aje me kai ra James Boating no o kai onavo da fia mekpo
sure
unim say MPP aban ekọ ni fie anadwo omko bubu ni fie guye 8 bedrooms ema even MPP wo honom e from so mu jasa na ye na emboa enye ade tro no nko ani fie na mko single e bubu obi fie nipa no nko da hefa na wote hanim say yo Mr Harris na wote Western region na wo bo nsem say MPP for mu ya de MPP for mu ya de MPP for mu ya de o ene de wo se den ya invite wamba ya ba ufie ye bedu honum no me kura de na me yakese na ko so mo de low bed de excavator siso for chama utumi ko afie de na ko so mo de excavator ama na chisel
adai
yes omubo mu na no mbie na so mu bie gate from kuta warrant na woni bibi me be che difference bi wa ha okuta search warrant a obetima ko search obi fie different from say why inviting nipa na say nipa nambra meba
but
search warrant obetima ko nipa ni fie uko bom na nipa ni so mbia national security wo tumi so obetima wura fie honum
so
yeah, power to,
yes
you have the power to enter
yes
by your crown me chiro de entie ya ba no wo from no me say by your warrant ni enkita warrant I'm just asking you
hello the communication
and you are here to establish but me must establish say ni enkita warrant
Hussein let's play the rules of the game.
So
he does the talking.
Yeah, sure.
See if there is anything to be asked. Then our reaction be when he is done. Sure. You can come in and react to it. Why? Yenya very nice conversation. Bra, now what beside the panel bra? Why we inviting us on bra? So assuming because I don't have the actual letter signed. So assuming say one fashi and coma police say own to member. Oma koje warrant and oma ko senko omo ko hede omo ko search akochi ni panokra why did they turn back?
You see call by you me say enura nana call free chama wontumi na aye call kra o eye se meba mande o se ono osu nyina no o se meba mande enye sa nke ntwima no nka nkimisi nke nka ye drag ni say yi no na me se hwe ewiase oti won ma de ba ko se usua me ye babu no wo ye babu no ade ba ko se usua e wa brabo mu ye se emre ye ninka so ene ye de akonya mawo se suma unye nyankopon even nyankopon kura no hwediwe nyankopon se ne yeseti de nyankopon se ye maye chama untumi afa no se wo ye wiase chese wiase nyina as Ghana hanim se nyina woni ne the king why no so ne no hene e bana tu chese hey yenye say okasa as ode e wiase nyina. Let me tell you something. Me no ka say me say NDC for the because you perceive diversity attention from scandal bia ekoso. Na me nim the definition of scandal there.
Right, NFS.
Me nim the definition of scandal there.
Okay.
We me can say we ne akasi PSC say. Or say 20,000 or more perception here say flight no and I bia no cost $20,000. Right? Omususu. Good. You know what they are doing this? The NTM waiting here any yasera Professor Jenna no Puku Ajman. Na no home fana otu kwan and then one tono. Our baby do no. Name people for Benyana Koba Nonko or Dada Kaminum.
No, but
I'm telling you for a fact.
But I think they
I don't know one person Dada Kaminum Nebana.
Omasemo Mubisa, the question they are asking. Nipano Huatono. So why is modern private jet ebe cost you more than coming with the ordinary flight?
Fantastic. Miss more question me bisa o.
Okay.
Unim say MPP4.
O bisa o mo.
Yeah, me bisa o bisa MPP4. Me bisa o bisa MPP4. Unim say MPP4 e use private jet e wo Ghana and say Ibrahim Mama private jet wo Ghana.
Omo use Ibrahim Mama.
Yes.
Okay.
Omo kwa ye kwa na omo timi Ibrahim Mama private jet de ko.
Eye na omo wa ban mu ana.
Yes, omo wa ban mu.
Okay.
Ibrahim Mama maame ne kasa no meba maame ne kasa no o ka asem bi o say ye Ibrahim Mama nya me hira o me yare ye da bia wo da wo temi nchen o make sure say me ho be da me ho be to me de na Ibrahim Mama ntimi nye na o wi ase a me bisa Ghana ha de na wo ntimi nye e de na wo ntimi nye
Say basic afemu.
A basic for money granted without admitting even bia Ibrahim Mahama and yes mama
For now,
as some kind of make in two face make in two face even post Ibrahim Mahama na yes hard with the man obesi de wo number 2 fane say no ho atono or the private jet aba private jet no the buy no Ghana presidential jet me no ka say e Ghana ha any Ghana ha because fort abam ami ye ho adwuma say the make an uti near the number ask yourself the rates are the private jet edi 2 kwan de ba mumu time within 8 months and they try how many months ni they try how many months and this how many months 5 months me boa 5 months mu I'm challenging you when say MPP for within 8 months you rako for the private jet or renting here 82 million cedis can 820 billion old cities etutu ene ye kramponi etimi the itinerary near den eba wakosi wa ha wa ye say cost of ayininie ba mo no muti anim say just speculation asma wo kan ankasa no uni fact bia so who dey make no
clear the air no I think say government communications Nhyira Felix ebe ye good to give out what it is about the
listen
data.
Me say
whether
assume say public fund
because you kai say mampani jets echo baby ni nua no jets there were issues and he clarified say am cost o mine here and it was silent. I mean we be no accuse be ayedin. So I think that yes, so I think that there should be a communication.
Listen, me say fan say public funds.
Okay.
Say public funds are na eden just one day no maybe just a day no mo even private jet na mo de kofa kunafo private jet na mo de kofa mpana no mo ura fi say wabro ni be ka say Ghana private jet e na Nhyira akofo de kofa no one take video ni bi
I heard
one take video ni bi
well
one take video ni bi Nhyira akofo do national security or minister call parliament assembly no kan
fesima me na
national security say yeah private jet na use no Nhyira akofo do say ono no tenam a onfili onye ba bi so ndware wo mu ye ma me professor Jenna no poko adma waka sa asem na kire wo
right
what say visa sometimes that politics no mu mi enjai na emboa asem na wo kan enya no kure dia aba ne say chama wontumi unim say tama ye omu lusu ye no January na events and then can you say your call say kwa kwata national makasa na catch mo bian transfer ska bian ko bebia na finance minister ba behwehwemu na due diligence aida akoso ye wi na auditor general report ne ba ansa na etuatu a omo ma ye abadwuma efo no ka one tis asem ni bi na chama utumi koko board deputy CEO atimi transfer ska 50 million cedis dia kwa chama utumi account mu Abraham lose elections. Ye no makasa asem we. Ye transfer kwa na wutuma ye fast. Akwa yi mu 10 million cash. O we no transfer bi no de bi akwa no de bi abok or de bi to government securities bit say treasure bills in any bond ni sane manema no. And this meanwhile yes on public yes allegation. This is on public consumption.
Can you give me some of these things?
Fantastic. Me I can give you this. Me once me no mostly ana me kasa me nim de meka. Me in Chantro. This is what happened. It is yes.
Share with us.
Name people for the own.
Share with us.
Oh, maybe when I
is it online?
You can go.
Oh, maybe online.
Okay.
Go and read it on. Okay, Ghana web. Go and read it on Ghana. When I kind of Ghana web.
So
unpacking. Go to Ghana web. Go to Ghana web. It is there.
Yeah, you can.
Material baby. What when I kind unpacking kind in tranka. Okay, kind of Ghana web. So what I say. Me search ad na ma wa say ntimi anka me search am why Ghana web obetima o search ad enti a wontumi ya yi no patcho search si an kan
o de koso I think say production team na so ye ho
yes
so you
e wo say wontumi 50 million cedis any transfer ti say ska we enti e no hwa Ghana so say omra onu say anti money laundering act no
right
make 2020 no act 1044 no section 556(1) no e ka fa ho ye betimi aiden a freeze account nti money be na yaye wo ho and then untumi ne that's untumi no susu untumi ntua na ma fees untumi no susu onye scam pon fan to aduane ndi and the governor ankasa na me say kakra bi na mu hu no
okay me that say Hussein Ibrahim, NDC Communications team member, and of course, spokesperson for the regional minister. Now, Ojaba.